Hey everyone, let's take a look at the minifigure skeleton for today's LEGO brick tutorial. The skeleton was introduced around 1995 and is currently in production with some exceptions. So here we have a skeleton on the left. His legs both move independently as well as his arms. Got the torso and the head. Here I have a detailed part. So here we have the skull, which the element ID is 82559, and it was introduced in 1995 and it's still made. Here we have one of the arms. It was introduced in 2011 and the element ID is 33449. Here's the leg, and this was introduced in 1995 and the element ID is 31733. Now here's the torso. It does come in two variants. Let's take a look at this one. The element ID is 60115 and this was introduced in 2007. Now this one right here has fixed arms and stuff, but this one here has flexible arms. They almost look identical, but they're a little different. They use the same legs and the same head, but the torsos are different. See, these arms are really flexible and such. Now the arms in this brand of torso were released in 1995 and sadly they have been discontinued in 2017. So as you can see, these are not backwards compatible. These do just fit in like so. So if you pull off this arm right here, or we could just take a look at this one, you can see that these are slightly bigger. So the arms are 6265 and the torso is 6260 for the old school skeleton. I'm sure there's other variants as well, but this is the parts that I have on hand. I'll have all the parts listed for the skeleton in the description down there if you want to take a look at those, if you're looking for making a skeleton army. I have a couple of skeletons lying around. It's not really my favorite minifigure. If you want to call it a minifigure, I mean they're the same height and stuff. But in my opinion, I like this one a lot better. You can just throw him around, you know, he can make his arms do some weird stuff. He really can't hold any weapons. The one on the left can, but it's rather stiff. So you can just flop him down somewhere. So that's the minifigure skeleton for today's LEGO brick tutorial.